I am playing Don't Press the Button with my two cousins. Vinny and Cookie. Say hi, Vinny.
Hi. Hi, guys.
Wait, where are you? Like, where are you right now?
Okay, I'm coming.
Wait, I see you, Cookie, but...
Where's Winnie? I'm coming. I
Where's
have
she?
the game.
Why did you leave the game? Are you serious?
Ria, don't leave. Let her join. Yeah.
A coin. Yay, got a coin. And you guys did. Ha, in your face.
Hi, Piggy. Piggy. That's from Piggy. Okay. Oh, I spotted. I spotted it.
Seriously, Cookie, Vinny, we're on. The whole YouTube is gonna hear you.
We become small.
I want to be small.
That's why I like playing this game. That's why I like playing this game. I'm here.
Oh yay! Yay! I get to turn into my real self. Okay. Okay, guys. So first, before. Oh my God! No. Okay, guys. Before we start this video, I want you to smash that like button for us, for all those poor people, for all my poor cousins in India. And do that, okay?
Smash the like button.
Yes.
And subscribe.
Yes.
Subscribe.
Okay.
Subscribe so we can go in the slide.
Huh?
Oh no.
Smash the like button to make the coronavirus go away. I'm JK. I'm JK, guys. Okay. Okay, don't press the button.
Why do you keep on saying smash the like button? Why don't you subscribe?
Yeah, subscribe too. And share it to your friends, okay? Bro, how am I supposed to get...
I died too. Yeah, look,
I died in a car crash. Visit me at the hospital. Go, people. I don't think anyone's left.
Tell everyone, the survivor over there.
Everybody try to... Okay. I don't want to fight. Oh my God! Don't fight me. Your dear cousin in Canada, where the most coronavirus is going. Go! You're stupid.
Dude, why did he kill me? This yellow guy just killed me.
This is not fair. This girl shot me.
It's about dying. Oh, it pressed the button.
Don't press the button. Like, boy, I just.
But you should press the button. We'll see what's happening.
Don't be rude to me.
What is all that? Jump.
Okay, the echo though. I'm gonna get that coin. No! Give me back that coin.
Use your gummy jump. Oh, bubblegum simulator. Reminds me of bubblegum simulator, right? Okay, now where do we go? We jump, and jump. No! No, I keep on falling. My dumb gum is every time making fall. What?
Yay! I'm glad we pressed the button.
What?
I'm glad we pressed the button now.
Yeah. This is my favorite game. let the noobs touch you. Okay. I'm so big. We're giant. Ria.
Yeah! Oh, I died.
Hey, someone's pushing me. Did you die? Did anyone die? Yeah. Hey.
Ow! Why do I keep dying, guys? Soccer.
Seriously. He's blowing the bit. But
Ow! Oh my god, no! I keep falling off the edge. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it.
he's only pushing Lori.
Oh my god. Why do you hate me? Jump into it.
I died.
Ooh, parkour.
Yep.
I love parkour.
Huh?
Dude, what is wrong with you? Don't do that. Karma. Some people wanted their heads to be popped. Wait, what? Wait, what? Who wants their head popped?
No, I died.
No, dude, what is wrong with you? Seriously, you're a problem.
So many times, finally I'm in heaven. Oh God, I'm not dying again. Ria, are you there?
Yes, I'm there. I'm here.
Oh, where I come back to? I died. Wow. Yes, I killed the book. Someone's got blown.
Oh my god, it's so sad. It's actually so sad. Just fell. Baldy.
Why does that guy keep blowing us? Because he's stupid. And dumb. And more dumb. Hey, stop blowing me.
Stop pushing me off the... What is wrong with you? You should be banned from this.
Stop blowing us. Oh God. Yeah, I made it.
Ah! I did it. I think my mom heard me.
He's blowing everyone. I died. Oof. Again, he's blowing. Can someone wait? I'm banning him. Wait, there's two.
Die, stupid. Oh my god, what is that? What the heck is that? What the heck is... Ah! Ah! Oh my god, what is happening? Oh my god, what is happening? Okay, I think I'm gonna end it here. This is very weird and stupid, so I'm gonna end it here. Bye. Bye guys, say bye.
Bye. What happened, Ria?
Oh no, who's blowing again?